Welcome to EQBloom, your personal emotional wellness companion. This is the EQBloom app walkthrough. So this is a login screen where you can sign in securely using email. Once you're logged in, the app will remember your emotional growth journey. As soon as you log in, you'll land on the home page, personalized with your name at the top. Right below that, you'll see a list of new features and updates, so you can always stay in the loop with what's been added. Scroll a little further and you'll find EQ paths, personalized tracks designed to help you focus on specific emotional goals like managing stress or building confidence. You can choose your current path based on your needs. Next is your daily journal prompt, which gives you a thoughtful question to reflect on and build self-awareness. After that, we provide EQ tips, bite-sized insights grounded in neuroscience and emotional psychology. Then comes the quote of the day, offering motivation or inspiration to set a positive tone. Finally, at the bottom of the homepage, you'll find recharge tools, starting with a built-in meditation player to help you relax and reset your nervous system whenever needed. The journal page is where EQBloom invites you to reflect. You'll find space to write about your day, your emotions, or respond to the daily prompt. Each entry is time-stamped and saved automatically, so you can track your emotional patterns over time. It's private, secure, and totally yours. You can scroll through past entries and watch your self-awareness evolve. The progress page is where EQBloom visualizes your emotional growth. At the top, you'll see a graph tracking your daily emotional ratings, helping you notice patterns over time like recurring stress on certain weekdays or spikes in motivation. Below the graph is your mood summary, where your most frequent moods are represented in a color-coded chart. Then you'll see your emotion trends, broken down weekly so you can notice if gratitude is rising or anxiety is decreasing. Finally, there's an insight log, which highlights which emotions are most tied to your journaling habits. This makes the invisible visible, so you can take action. Next is the AI Coach page, which is your pocket emotional intelligence guide. You can chat with an AI trained to respond with compassionate, brain-based insights. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed or just curious, the AI coach can walk you through how to cope, self-regulate, or reflect on your situation. It's like having a mentor in your pocket ready to respond 24/7 in a judgment-free space. The study page is where EQBloom turns science into action. It includes a 25-minute focus timer designed to help you build concentration, especially when studying on or working on tasks. You can change your subject, hit start, and enter a deep work session. The goal is to train your brain to focus with intention, supporting both academic and emotional growth. And finally, we have the settings page. Here you can update your name, view your sign-in method, and manage privacy features. There's also an About EQBloom section that shares the app's purpose, the neuroscience it's based on, and helpful links to outside resources. If you ever want a fresh start, you can hit the Reset All Data button to begin a new emotional journey. You can also export your journal entries, perfect for sharing with a counselor, therapist, or just self-reflecting offline. And under Contact Us, you'll find a direct link to the EQBloom YouTube channel, where we publish videos exploring diverse topics in mind-body medicine, emotional health, and neuroscience, built by students for students. EQBloom is more than just an app. It's a daily companion designed to help you build emotional intelligence, track your growth, and understand your brain on a deeper level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content on the science of feeling better.